Miss Veronica Crespo, performing her lyrical piece and representing Rising Stars Dance Academy. Make some noise for her as she performs Do They See Jesus in Me?
Is the face that I see in the mirror the one I want others to see? Do I show in the way that I walk in my life love that you've given to me? My heart's desires to be like you in all